I wake up at night. I feel strong pain in my chest. I cannot breathe well. My heart beats very fast. I feel very scared. I think I will die. I try to stand, but I feel weak. My hands shake a lot. I call the doctor quickly. I say, please help me now. I go to the doctor. The doctor looks at me. He says, calm down. I sit on the chair. I tell him my problem. I say, my chest hurts. I say, I cannot breathe well. The doctor checks my heart. He listens to my chest. He checks my temperature. The doctor looks at my throat. He asks me some questions. I answer slowly. I feel very weak. The doctor is quiet. He looks at me again. I feel something is wrong. He writes something on paper. I ask, what is it? He does not answer fast. He says, we need more tests. I feel cold inside. My hands start to shake again. I cannot look at him. The room feels very quiet. I hear only my heart. It beats fast and loud. I feel more afraid now. I sit and say nothing. The doctor looks serious.
I'll meet you outside in 5 minutes.
He calls another doctor. They talk in a low voice. I cannot hear them well. I feel alone in the room. I know something is not good.